Hello, I'm Trisha. Welcome to Mitered Corner Quilting. I'm a quilter specializing in t-shirt and memory quilts and also a long armor. Here we talk about turning memory-filled clothing into quilts, one step at a time. If you're a quilter who has a box of t-shirts tucked away, or you've been thinking about turning memory-filled clothing into a quilt, you're in the right place. I'm a quilter. I specialize in t-shirt and memory quilts and also a long armor, finishing quilts so they can be used, gifted, and loved. And today I wanted to share why I'm starting something new and why I decided to document it from the very beginning. Over the years, I've taught classes, I've created resources, and worked with a lot of quilters. And one thing I've noticed that people don't get stuck because they don't care. They get stuck because they're trying to do it alone. They buy the course, they save the tutorials, and then life happens and the quilt never quite gets started. I don't want to create another place where information just sits. I want to create a place where people actively show up. So I'm building a free quilting community on Skool. It's not a course. It's not even a big launch. It's more like a modern quilting circle, a place where you can ask questions, share what you're working on, learn at your own pace, and quilt alongside someone who's been through the process. Behind the scenes, I'm using System.io for my resources, my newsletter, my email. But Skool is the heart of it. That's where the community lives. And I'm sharing the build as I go, imperfect and in real time. So this space is for quilters who have a box of t-shirts tucked away or just an idea forming in the back of their mind. It's for people who are thinking about making a t-shirt quilt, a memory quilt, and want a place to learn before jumping in. It's for quilters who care about the story behind the quilt just as much as the stitches. You don't have to be ready and you don't need a plan, just a place to begin. If that sounds like you, I would love to have you come quilt with me. I've linked the free community down below if you'd like to join, even if you just want to look around, read the posts, or say hello. There's no pressure here, just encouragement, learning, and progress, one quilt at a time. Thanks so much for being here and watching, and I'll be sharing more about t-shirt and memory quilting, long arm finishing, and what I'm building next. If you'd like more quilting support, you're always welcome in my free community. The link is below, and I'll see you in the next video.